Goddard, and I'm a sophomore, and I'm here with
Aubrey Wymore, and I'm a senior. We live in a small town in Michigan, and we attend
Linden High School. We are doing the Reach and Teach program for Mr. Crow's Marketing 2 class to win the $1,000 grant for our school.
If we win the money, we would hope to buy more equipment or new equipment for the upcoming Marketing 2 class.
Aubrey, have you seen this weather lately? The snow goes crazy.
I know, we've had 4 snow days the past 4 Thursdays.
You know what else there is 4 of? 4 programs for the Reach and Teach program. They include
That's So Sketch, Ranker, Faculty Flex, and Challenge Accepted.
the first game will be That's So Sketch.
In this game, there will be 4 different contestants drawing with 4 different food items.
Okay, good luck to all the games out there.
And
let the games begin.
What's up, guys? I'm Caleb Horner, and welcome back to another episode of That's So Sketch, the ultimate game show involving wacky drawings and an even wackier twist. In today's episode, our contestants will be cooking up some crazy drawings with some crazy condiments.
And now, let's get to the contestants. Starting off, we have Aubrey Wymore using nacho cheese to match your cheesy personality. Next up, we have Max Antonishek using icing to match his icy chains. Moving on, we have Kashmir Chmeshi using chocolate syrup to match his sweet personality. Finally, we have Addison Acker using ketchup because all she sees is red.
Contestants, are you ready? Yeah! Alright, 3, 2, 1. Guys, you can look at the drawing. Oh, it's a dog. Cheese Whiz is struggling. Chocolate syrup is doing good. Chocolate syrup. 1 minute. 30 seconds remaining. Are you good? You got it. Max on the left, Max on the frosting. There's dogs coming along. Cheese Whiz is struggling. Ketchup is adding some detail. We got it going, we got it going. The chocolate syrup is currently drawing in. That's time, time! Hands up, hands up, hands up! Get him up, get him up, get him up! No, 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 no! First place, Max Antonishek. How are you feeling after that victory?
Honestly, I'm feeling freaking great, wonderful. It's a great day, made my day 10 times better. It's just another day of winning, kind of a common thing for your boy. But honestly, shout out my contestants for putting in the effort to take me on today in class. It was a hard fight, but I already knew I was going to win from the start. We win.
Sounds good, sounds good. Thank you, Max Antonishek. And now Aubrey Wymore, 4th place. It's all right. What's your opinion on the game today?
I think the game was fun, but I usually lose at everything I do anyway, so
Well,
I'm not surprised.
Do you feel as if your condiment had any impact on your drawing capabilities today?
Yeah, because I prefer white queso over yellow.
It's about the white queso. Yeah, it's the type. You like more homemade. Yeah. Oh yeah, like homemade. Yeah, I understand.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for watching today's episode of That's So Sketch. We'll see you next time.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Good job to all of our contestants.
Our next game is Ranker, where students will be ranking their favorite fast foods. Aubrey, what's your favorite fast food?
Probably yo quiero Taco Bell. You too?
Me gusta McDonald's.
I'm loving it.
We're gonna send you guys over to Ranker. Greetings, amazing fellows. Today we are going to be ranking fast food.
Good morning. Today I'm here with.
Jackson Bremen.
Okay, today you're rank your top 5 favorite fast food restaurants. What are they?
Alright, so number 5, we're gonna go with Burger King. 4, Popeyes. 3, KFC. 2, McDonald's. And 1, Chick-fil-A.
What's your favorite thing on the menu from Chick-fil-A?
The shake.
Thank you. I'm here with.
We're down low.
Today you're going to rank your top 5 favorite fast food restaurants. What are they?
Culver's, Chipotle, Taco Bell, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A.
What is your favorite thing on the menu from Culver's?
I'd have to say a chocolate milkshake.
There you go, Ryan. Good morning. Today I'm here with.
Mr. Kirky.
And today you're going to be ranking your top favorite fast food restaurants. What are they?
All right, top 5, got to go Culver's 1, Taco Bell 2, 3 would have to be Tim Hortons, 4 Panera Bread, and 5 I would say is, I don't know if I have a 5, Arby's.
What's your favorite thing from Culver's?
That's got to be the Butterburger.
Thank you. Good morning. Today I am here with Miles. Today you're going to be ranking your top 5 favorite fast food restaurants. What are they?
My top 5 favorite fast food restaurants would be number 1 Popeyes, then number 2 we got McDonald's, number 3 would be Five Guys, number 4 would be Taco Bell, and number 5 would be KFC.
What is your favorite thing on the menu from Five Guys?
Honestly, the peanuts they give you a big old thing of peanuts when you eat the food, so I'd say the peanuts hit.
Thank you.
Got you.
Good morning. Today who am I with? Joseph. Today you're going to be ranking your top 5 favorite fast food spots. What are they?
Alright, so I got Cane's, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Taco Bell. Do Wingstop count as a fast food?
I mean, I would say so.
Then Wingstop.
What's your favorite thing you get from games?
The bread,
Why?
because it's good.
Okay, thank you. Good morning. Today who am I with?
Weston Montague,
Today you're going to be ranking your top 5 favorite fast food restaurants. What are they?
Chick-fil-A, Raising Cane's, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Chipotle.
What is your favorite thing to get from Chipotle and why?
A bowl with chicken and rice and stuff, because it's good.
Thank you.
Why do you always
According to our rankings, we have discovered that McDonald's is the most popular fast food.
Wow, what an interesting way to rank these fast foods.
For our next game, we have Faculty Flex, where students will be interviewing teachers and find out what their secret talent is, and then students have to guess what they think the secret talent of that teacher is. Aubrey, what's your secret talent?
You see my tongue? What's yours?
That's pretty cool. I think that I'm a pretty good singer, but I'm not gonna do it right now.
Oh, well, it's okay.
Okay. We'll see you guys in Faculty Flex.
I'm your host, Maxim Tanashek,
And I'm your co-host, Jacob Modelski.
and welcome
To Faculty Flex. It is Jacob Modelski reporting with
Miss Witten.
Miss Witten. What is your special talent?
I can secretly code a little bit.
Mr. Kirky. What is your hidden talent?
My hidden talent would have to be designing and building custom decks and remodeling homes and bathrooms, basements, kitchens, and outdoor landscapes.
I'm here with
Reagan Wallace.
Reagan Bolus. What is your special talent?
I do Shakespeare and track.
Wow, that is really cool. I wonder. Boom.
Boom!
I'm your host, Maxim Tanashek, and today I'm with
Mr. Nagy.
And our question today is, what is your hidden talent?
My hidden talent would be winning Chuck-a-Puck.
Mr. Nagy, what is Chuck-a-Puck?
Well, at hockey games up in Flint during the second intermission, you can buy these little like foam rubber pucks and they have numbers on them. They put a target out in the middle and you throw the pucks out there, and mine always goes right in the middle and I win a jersey.
Yay!
I think Mr. Nagy ended up with it. Oh, a swimmer.
Swimmer.
I think she's a synchronized swimmer.
A coder?
Drag racer.
I know this one is a deck builder. Oh.
I'm gonna say deck builder.
Deck builder.
Actor slash athlete.
Go athlete.
Athlete.
Thank you for joining us with Faculty Flex. And we got our leaderboards. And in first place, we got Drew Lurvy.
And for second place, we had two fine gentlemen, which tied. We had Karsten Silva and Carter Bouchon. It was a great competition for Faculty Flex.
That was Faculty Flex, and that's some pretty interesting talents that our teachers have. Wouldn't you say, Aubrey?
Oh yeah, very, very talented people. For our next section, we are doing our section, which is Challenge Accepted, with 3 different minute to win it, you could say games, teachers versus students.
We'll see who's better here at Linden, students or teachers. Let's find out.
Hi, I'm Aubrey and I'm your host for today's Challengers. Our first game is Defying Gravity, where each contestant will have to keep 3 balloons up in the air as long as they can. Whichever contestant can keep their balloons up in the air the longest wins it for their team. Our first 2 contestants are
Mr. Schneider
and
Mr. Van Deventer.
Against
Fisher.
And
We're done.
good luck, everyone. Hey, I'm Aubrey, and I'm here with your second game, the Oreo Challenge. Your first 2 contestants are
Guy
and Addison, competing against
Mr. Stokes
and
Mr. Klein.
Woo! Good job! Yay! Lastly, with Game 3, we will be playing the Cotton Ball Challenge, where each team will have to scoop as many cotton balls as they can into the bowl, blindfolded. 15 seconds. For our first 2 contestants, we have
Miss Whitten.
And
Mr. Gates.
competing against
Lila Nestor.
and
Amelia Whitrow.
good luck, everybody, and scoop the cotton balls.
That was Challenge Accepted, and they got pretty competitive there, except for the Oreo game where no one could get it into their mouth.
Yeah, that's okay. I mean, you were in the game, so how do you think you did personally?
I mean, I was trying my hardest, and I thought I had it there a few times, not gonna lie, but it just didn't work out.
Yeah, the Oreo game was a little bit dull, but my favorite of all 3 of the games was probably the cotton ball game.
Yeah, Mr. Gates had a pretty good strategy to help his team win there.
Oh, for sure.
Alright, so that wraps up all of our games here at Linden High School. We hope it's enough to bring in the $1,000 to win the Reach and Teach program.
We'll see.
And as always, go Eagles!